Hawkmoon Resources is a gold exploration junior that went public last year in April of 2021. We've been trading on the CSE a little over a year. Our focus is exploration in Quebec with our key project, the Wilson, which we acquired from Cartier Resources. Wilson is about an hour north of Val d'Or, and it's near a small town called La Belle-sur-Quévillon. The closest deposits to us would be the Windfall by Osisko Metals, as well as the Bonterra Resources Gladiator deposit. That Gladiator deposit was actually discovered by our geologist, Thomas Clark, so we have a connection to them. First thing to look for as regards due diligence on a junior is what is the primary mineral they're exploring for? Do they understand the catalysts of the cycles? Drilling, news releases, assays. You know, there's a lot of free online trading courses, books that you can read on the subject, or just, you know, asking the CEOs directly or investor relations that work for the company. What are your catalysts? And we're always happy to chat and talk. So our phone number is directly connected to my cell phone. In our modern day age, I can run a company from a laptop and a mobile. It's pretty incredible, the technology we have. So I'm generally available and happy to answer questions. Running a junior mining company is equivalent to juggling balls. There's three main points to it. Number one, you're an entrepreneur who's got a startup business. Secondly, you're exploring for a precious mineral that's relatively rare in the earth, in our case gold. And thirdly, you have to navigate the volatility of the stock market, particularly the junior space. So it's not for everybody. And you have to be bold and have a lot of fortitude within you to be able to handle the challenges and stress. But at the same time, that provides reward. Every day is different for me. I love having that hands-on approach to tackle problems and issues. And then the wins that come out of it, like new discoveries, are more than exciting. And that's the highs of this job. So it's a challenging job that I absolutely have a privilege to serve this company, and I couldn't ask for anything better. Capital structure is the lifeline of every junior mining company. We have to offer private placements and financings in order to do our drilling and work. Obviously, some G&A and marketing is necessary. But at the same time, you're aiming to get the best price offering for the investment community. Dilution will happen eventually as you age and you know, progress towards your projects maturing. So it's navigating the sheer amount of volume of stock that's out there on the public float, and volatility of the large macroeconomics going to trickle down to us junior space as well. An immediate catalyst for Hawkmoon 2022 is commencing drilling on our key project, the Wilson, starting July 15th. We're doing 5,000 meters, 28 holes, and we're following up on our discovery last year of our best intercept at 83.6 grams per ton. We've got excellent grades. It's 20 minutes away from a nearby town where we have a prep station, accommodations, and we're able to have nearer term to the laboratory. So we'll come in under budget. We're using the same drillers from previous, and we're even more familiar with the project than we were last year. 2023 and 2024 look to be promising for Hawkmoon. Ideally, we will be making new property acquisitions, extending the Wilson to the east, and also a joint venture with a major. A resource calculation would be the end goal with a transaction. This is obviously the big picture that we're looking for. My favorite PDAC memory is the Ripley's Aquarium party every year. It's great fun because you're drinking wine while on an escalator with sharks swimming over top of you. 2020 was a particular memorable year because one guy got a little bit inebriated and fell into the tank, and they had to fish him out. So that was my favorite. Despite the pressure and stock price on juniors, there's a lot of fundamentals and companies like ourselves that are exploration focused, great priced at this point, and you can expect a lift in market after assays. So we're worth considering. HM on the CSE. As well, we do have an OTC QB listing, and we're in Frankfurt.